Imagine you must import data from many files stored in Azure Blob Storage into an Azure Synapse Analytics data warehouse. How would you design a pipeline in Azure Data Factory to efficiently process the files in parallel and minimize processing time?
Here is the list of steps that you can follow to create and design a pipeline in Azure Data Factory to efficiently process the files in parallel and minimize the processing time. Start by creating a blob storage dataset in Azure Data Factory to define the file's source location. Create a Synapse Analytics dataset in Azure Data Factory to define the destination location in Synapse Analytics where the data will be stored. Create a pipeline in Azure Data Factory that includes a copy activity to transfer data from the blob storage dataset to the Synapse Analytics dataset. Configure the copy activity to use a binary file format and enable parallelism by setting the Parallel Copies property. You can also use Azure Data Factory's built-in monitoring and logging capabilities to track the pipeline's progress and diagnose any issues that may arise.